Okay, now example number 5. According to a study of US homes that use heating equipments, the mean indoor temperature at night during winter is 68.3. So as you can see here, the word is. So I will write HO and HA for step 1. If you see the word is, meaning that is equal sign. So, the mean is 68.3. Okay, so this is your claim. And to write the negation, you have mean is not equal to 68.3. So, that is your step 1. Next, step 2 is your formula. Okay, so let us identify all the given. You already know that the mean is 68.3. This is mean population. Let us continue reading. You think that the information is incorrect, you randomly select. So random, whenever that there is a random variable, that is the value of n, which is 25. And, okay, just continue. Again, that the mean indoor temperature at night is 67.2. So this is your sample mean, which is 67.2. And then continue, population standard deviation is equals to 3.5. Then, there is another given here that the level of significance is equals to 0.05. Now, we're complete with the given. Let's proceed with the formula. Substitutions in the formula. So, we have x bar minus mean over standard deviations over the square root of n. So, we have this x bar. What's the value of x bar? So, from our given 67.2 minus the mean is 68.3 over standard deviation is 3.5 over the square root of 25 is approximately negative 1.57. So this is your formula answer. Next, step 3 is you will go to the table. Okay, so now, in the table, you need the level of significance. What is the level of significance given here is 0.05, 0.05. Then, you need to identify how many, what tail is it? Is it left, right, or equal sign is based on your HA. So, what is HA? HA says here that is not equal to. If that is not equal to, therefore that is two-tailed. Okay, so for you not to be confused, I will write a note here that if that is greater than, right tail. If that is less than, left tailed. If that is not equal to, then that is two-tailed. Okay, now. Okay, so to make it easy for you again, go to the table of 7.2 on the left side. So this is the left side of the 7.2 table. We have 0.05. So 0.05 is here. And your HA is two-tailed. So 0.05, two-tailed, the answer is positive, negative, 1.96. Okay? Now we're complete. So we will proceed with 4. Draw a table. Okay, this is based on your decision. So I will write step by step what is in 4. So this is your decision. Okay, if you will reject or fail to reject, draw a graph. Now, check the tail. The tail is two-tailed. So I will draw a line here and another line. Two-tailed means the shaded region is to the left side and to the right side. Okay, now, what is the value that you will put here is based on your table. So, what's in your table? Positive and negative 1.96. And this is positive 1.96. Next, your test is based on your answer. What is your answer? Your answer here in Z formula is negative 1.57. Where can you see negative 1.57 is somewhere, because this is 0, negative 0.5, 1.5, negative 1. So, somewhere outside the rejection region. And if that is outside the rejection region, then you fail to reject the HO. Okay? Next. The last is your interpretation. So, in your interpretation, the important is your decision and your claim. Okay, your decision is fail to reject, and your claim is, what is your claim here? Your claim here is in HO. So, your claim is HO. Now, go back to 7.1. Don't worry, I will give this to you. I will print it and I will give this to you in your test. Okay. So, HO is the claim and fail. So, there is not enough evidence to reject the claim. So, your interpretation is there is not enough evidence to, is it fail? To reject the claim. To reject the claim.